Ramil Madriaga, who identified himself as a former aide and alleged bagman of Vice President Sara Duterte. Madriaga's affidavit, which he submitted to the Ombudsman last December 2025, became part of the evidence against Duterte in the 2 impeachment complaints this 2026 that were found to be sufficient in substance by the House Committee on Justice, GMA News Feed reported. According to his notarized statement in 2025, Madriaga introduced himself as a law graduate from San Sebastian College in Manila. He also worked at various government agencies from 1993 up to 2021 until he was introduced by then Representative Roylo Golez to the Duterte family to give political and security advice to then Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. After the Duterte patriarch became president, Madriaga was tasked to provide intelligence information for Oplan Double Barrel. In 2018, Madriaga was assigned to the Presidential Security Group and was introduced to Sara Duterte, who was then Davao City Mayor. He was also tasked with intelligence gathering for Sara Duterte. Madriaga also allegedly formed the Inde Sara Duterte as My President, ISIP Pilipinas to support her plans to run as president, a move instructed by Sara herself. The funding for the ISIP Pilipinas national campaign 2021-2022, along with another parallel groups, came from Pogo operators and drug dealers, Madriaga's affidavit read. Madriaga also allegedly witnessed the delivery of P1 billion in Muntinlupa City. Around the first quarter of February 2020, I was instructed by an SGT, Canlis, a PSG officer whom I came to know in Davao, to pick up a Super Grandia at Jollibee Communing, Quezon City, and deliver it to a car wash along Donghari, Muntinlupa City. From the meeting point, I was told to proceed to Katarungan village nearby, where I handed the keys to 2 men who were inside a black Honda Civic. This delivery was later verified through a call from President Duterte himself, who confirmed that the vehicle was received by those 2 men whose names I can no longer recall, his affidavit read. Madriaga also served as Sara Duterte's courier of millions of cash to different personalities. In his notarized affidavit, Madriaga also claimed he was ordered by Colonel Dennis Nolasco and Colonel Raymond Lachica from the OVP to deliver for duffel bags containing up to P3.5 million each to different individuals. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.